There you go. That's the Tweety bird that we do. Didn't have it, can't prove it. How long have I been twisting balloons? Started about an hour and a half ago. No, 26 years now. Hello everyone, welcome. I think this afternoon I'm going to actually make some more bracelets. What's the easiest thing I can make? I'll make it right now. Even while I'm working on this one, I'll make it. Spaghetti. Earthworm. There's two of the easiest. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Nice, that sounds awesome. Gonna be leftover pork stew for this old boy. It's the joy of cooking when you're one person, you wind up. GK. Harry's gonna get another band. He is tying up the band hammer. Get him, Harry. Get him. Get him. No, come on. You should be. Would you know, it's like, why are people like that? You know, they'll come into a live. They wouldn't say that to a real person, like a live person. But yet they have the need to say something like that. He's gone. You muted and blocked, so he is gone. Well, it's not a matter of sickness, it's just a matter of, when am I live? That's a very good question. I'm going to be live. I don't have a set schedule at this point. I'll be honest there, buddy. Whenever I got to do dishes. Oh man, it's snowing to beat the band. I might do like a live tomorrow. It's not going to be anything too interesting. More of an accountability thing on my end. So we're working on a Tweety bird. We're almost done. Yeah, sometimes I have no idea. I have no idea. It might be in the morning. I don't know. For sure, though, I will be back at I'll be live again at the North Bay Farmers Market. That's Saturday. that sticker. Okay, there we go. Woo! A Tweety bird. We need to draw the eyes on it. I think it's gourd. I think it's gourd, if my memory serves. There you go. That's the Tweety bird that we do.